in this government and in this time, we believe we have been left behind in the industrial revolution, but in the fourth industrial revolution, we should catch up with the world very fast. So I was very impressed by the time which you took to establish this, which is very important, in 8 months to be able to set up a factory and start production. I think that's very important. And then, because the systems are there, that's why we are looking for foreign investment. Because the systems are there, countries have learned the processes, when they come to Pakistan, for example, they can start implementing those processes, and we will learn as time comes up, and we will be able to do a lot more with this. So I must appreciate the fact that the special economic zones and industrial zones are coming up, and Chinese investment particularly is coming up. The world is changing, Qamar Khan Sahab. The world is changing today, and it is important that the isolation which is being worked up, you understand what I mean, I may not be able to go into more detail. The isolation which is being worked up, those countries who produce, Mr. Consul General, those countries which continue to produce well, there will always be a market. You cannot create an economic isolation for countries which are working hard. You can think about it, but ultimately in the long run there cannot be economic isolation. And that is where Pakistan and Chinese friendship becomes very important, because a lot of stuff, what happens is, when the country develops, the labor costs start increasing, and therefore you go to countries where labor costs are less, and Pakistan affords that opportunity for China and for Chinese companies to come here to invest.